here with Shannon from AVA Direct. Shannon, you built a killer gaming rig in the PUBG style fashion, I think. Why don't you tell us what we got looking at here?
Well, where Asus approached us, wanted to do something based on their X299 platform, based on a PUBG theme. So this was a really, really fast turnaround. We only had a few days to work on this. So we took and decided, instead of doing the standard artwork, we wanted to more immerse you in the game within your system. So we partnered with our friends at AlphaCool and Corsair to create a really kick-ass system here. We started with the liquid cooling pump from AlphaCool. We made it like a supply drop. And then we took our SSDs, two of the Corsair SSDs right here, put them in wooden crates, so they look like crates after you fill another player. We wanted to create this whole in-depth effect, so you felt like your system was as much in the game as you are when you're playing. Same thing with the hand-painted tubes. This was all done with the help from our friend Jim at Clockwork Industries. He's local over there in Northeast Ohio. He helped us knock out some of this stuff. There's no way we could have got it done this quick without his help. And then all the hard tube bending was done by one of our engineers, Zach, internal. He did an amazing job with all the cable management, getting this thing knocked out in like a 3-day turnaround. I mean, the amount of work we put into this thing, it's just, it blows me away right now that we got this here and got it the way it sits right now in a few days. And we even did a backlit rear panel showing the custom shirt design that they give you when you early adopt into the game, the Winner Winner Chicken Dinner design. We backlit this with a Starfield effect with a special insert to allow the corner LEDs to sparkle through the whole design rather than having some dead spots in the middle. We spent a little bit of time engineering something that would really just give a special effect, like I said, beyond the whole just creating a paint job on it. Because you can do it that way, but we wanted to do something that was a little different, a little more modern friendly, because one thing we do at AVA Direct is we make completely custom systems, so that's what we really want to show in something like this.
What are the specs in this bad boy?
It's a 7940X, so 14 core, so you can play, you can game, stream, probably encode in the background, all on the same system. It's got a 1070 Ti, and it's got a NVMe 480 gig of Corsair SSD, and then a couple SATA SSDs for maybe some of your, I don't want to call it cold storage because SSD, but it's SATA, let's face it.
Cold storage, yeah.
NVMe is now, NVMe is king, man, so it's as fast as it can be. And then all the AlphaCool cooling components, they're one of our partners. They worked with us to get us exactly what we needed to make this thing, make sure this thing not only runs awesome, but runs super cool.
So there you have it, the AVA Direct PUBG Winner Winner Chicken Dinner gaming rig. Is that about right?
That sounds about awesome. Thanks, man.
Shannon, thanks for spending time with us.
Thanks for having me, brother.